Hey, what's up guys, it's TieGuy21204 here, and we're ready for step 4 on the Rubik's Cube. So what you got now is the two top layers. For step 4, you're going to turn it upside down from the from the part you solved, and you want to get the yellow cross. So if it's like this, you're going to move, like, if there's 3 like that, you're going to move it right, or the way this part points. So this right, up, left, down, right, up, right, down. Oh shoot. I'm sorry. Don't do it like that. I'll be right. Oh shoot. My fault. Make sure you look at the white when you do it, or else you're gonna fail. Like I just did. Sorry guys. Alright. Okay, we're back now. So, just ignore that part that just happened. So if it's one dot, you see the white, you need to move it that way once, and then up. So this white places right here, this white places right here. I'm going to move it that way, down, right, and down. So you got this part now. The 3 that are facing that way. So you're going to move it whichever this way is pointing. Then up from the opposite way. Or not like this, but from that side. Then left, down, to this side, right, and down. Now I got a straight line. So we want to do that one more time. This time it doesn't matter which way you do it, because it's in a straight line now. So just do that again, and you got the yellow cross. And that's it for step 4, guys. See ya. Peace out.